Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Very good morning. How are you all? I hope all you are fine. And by the grace of Allah, Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So, we are going through online classes, as in this situation, we are doing online classes and also the classes from TV. So, today I will take a ICT class. Already we have completed 25 classes. Okay. So, ICT, our syllabus is finished. That's good. But in this situation, we have to practice more and more, and we have to practice through the specific point. If we are not practicing through the specific point, in that case, we cannot get the full mark. Okay, so ICT, you know that the ICT is of 50 marks, and 25 marks MCQ and 25 for subjective. And in subjective, there is 5 short question, and out of 8, 5 short question out of 8 you have to answer. Okay, so um, as we have completed our syllabus, we should have to be technical some cases, that which questions and how the questions we should learn. That means how should write the answer, and yeah, how could we write the answer properly. That all these points we have to learn properly. Clear? So you all know me because we are going through long classes. I'm Shahnaz Parveen Asha from English Medium Senior Section. So let's enjoy today's class and obviously learn something from the class. So we are from Milestone College, English Medium Senior Section. I'll take ICT today. So teacher. I'm from Sector 11, Milestone College, and I take Science and ICT of class 8. So today our classroom 30, and today we will discuss about the question pattern, and we will understand how to write the short question, and then again we will understand how to write the short question answer of ICT of some board examination, and then we'll discuss those question patterns or how to write the answer of this question. So some of the points I will tell in every question discussion class, that some of the points that you should note while you are writing answer. First of all, your answer should be pairwise. Okay, the answer should be pairwise, and you must write with the key points. What are the key points? You know, I have discussed in the last video, and also we have marked in the book. Is it? So key points means, like if you are thinking one lesson, just take any lesson, like chapter 1 lesson 5, that is government is giving services at the doorstep. So there, what are the key points? Like public examination of the public examination, then e-settlement record, e-healthcare, e-permit, all these are key points. Okay, so what are the key points? You all know. So these key points you must write. There will be introduction and conclusion para every answer. That means a starting para and ending para. Clear? Then different must be written in chart. So if there is any difference like optical fiber or satellite, difference comes most often, or any other difference like hub, switch and router. In that case, you have to write in chart. Focus on the important information in every topic. Clear? And must write book information first. That means what are the major information that should be in your answer. Otherwise, you will not get mark. You may writing many things, but you are not focusing on the book. In that case, you will get 0 without any doubt. Then presentation must be best. That means in case of presentation, your writing should be nice. You should use two color pen. That means one for highlighting, for writing the key points, use blue pen and black pen, and also keep margin in the copy in all side. Okay, it looks writing also looks nice. Writing should be without any pen through or cutting. That means you should not pen through any single line. Okay, any word, if you have done any mistake, just pen through a single pen through. Then presentation will be nice, inshallah. Go for the next one, that our board question board question, and I have chosen two board question. One is from Dhaka board 2018, another one is Dhaka board 2017. That means consequence two board question I have chosen to understand ourselves which are most important lesson, and also where we should give more emphasis. Okay, so first one, what is the full meaning of ICT? Explain the importance of ICT in the Great Liberation War. Explain what services are citizens getting for the opportunity of developing ICT. Then describe the difference between optical fiber and satellite on the basis of their characteristics. What is cybercrime? Explain about the 4 cybercrimes. So you see there is a question. Okay, if you read through the question, you will understand that from which lesson, which chapter this question came. So among 8 questions, how many questions from each chapter? Like if you think here, one, if you see 1 number, then 2 number, 1 and 2 from chapter 1, then 2 number and yes, only 2 number is from chapter 3. Then 4, 5, 6, all 3 are from, 2 number is chapter 2, 4, 5, 6 from chapter 3, 7 number from chapter 4, and 8 number from chapter 5. So, in 2018, they have given emphasis on chapter 3. That means most question came from chapter 3. Fine. Proceed. Now, board question of Dhaka board 17. Explain the contribution of information and communication technology into the healthcare. What do you think that the role of ICT is playing in order to create and getting for job seekers? What is topology? Describe the star topology with image. Cybercrime is a punishable offense. What is network? Describe the network related to devices. Write down 2 works by using spreadsheet program. Role of internet, solving in everyday problem, and last one, discuss the process of sending email attachment. So if you check here, you will see 1 number, 2 number is from chapter 1. Topology and network, chapter 2. Cybercrime is from chapter 3. Then spreadsheet 1 question from chapter 4, and last 7 and 8, those are from chapter 5. So it's interesting. Just one, before the year there was 3 questions from our chapter. Now there is 1. So I will discuss this chapter. I will discuss this question further. Before that, how important role was played by ICT in the Great Liberation War. We will see a video clip first.
স্বাধীন বাংলা বেতার কেন্দ্র অনুষ্ঠান প্রচারিত হচ্ছে মিডিয়াম ওয়েভ 361.44 মিটারে প্রতি সেকেন্ডে 830 কিলো সাইকেলসে।
ডিসেম্বর 1971 বিজয় হলো মুক্তিযুদ্ধে, স্বাধীন হলো বাংলাদেশ নামের এক নতুন রাষ্ট্র। 9.5 মাস ব্যাপী মুক্তিযুদ্ধের শুরুটা ছিল 1971 মার্চে। কেউ থেমে থাকেনি, বাঙালি থামতে জানে না। যে যার অবস্থানে থেকে সবকিছুর বিনিময় প্রতিহত করল এই হানাদার গোষ্ঠীকে। কৃষক কোদাল নিয়ে, ছাত্র তার অংশগ্রহণ দিয়ে, আর লেখক তার কলম নিয়ে অংশ নিল মুক্তিযুদ্ধে। একইভাবে থেমে থাকেনি বেতার কর্মীরাও। শুধুমাত্র শব্দকে সঙ্গী করে তারা শুরু করলো যুদ্ধযাত্রা, শব্দের যুদ্ধযাত্রা।
6 তারিখে সন্ধ্যাবেলা থেকে প্রচার শুরু করি। 7 তারিখে শেখ মুজিবের ভাষণ রেডিও থেকে আমরা প্রচার করছি। মুজিব ভাই এসে গেছেন, তাকে আপনারা স্লোগান দিয়ে অভিবাদন দেন। শেখ মুজিবের পথ ধরো।
মিনিট 10 আগে 2:10-11 এরকম হবে। এই সময় দেখলাম আমি স্টুডিওতে বসা একজন অফিসার, দ্বিতীয় অফিসার, তিনি একটা ছোট্ট চিরকুট নিয়ে আসলেন। তাতে লেখা, ইংরেজিতে লেখা, যার মর্মার্থ হয় যে শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানের কোনো ভাষণ বা কণ্ঠ বেতারে এখন যাবে না যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত কর্তৃপক্ষ থেকে কোনো নির্দেশ না আসছে। রাষ্ট্রপ্রধান সাহেবকে বললাম যে কি করবো, বলে বেরিয়ে আসো। তো এই মাত্রা করার সঙ্গে ঠিক যেটা যেভাবে ছিল যন্ত্রপাতি ওইভাবে রেখে কিছু না বলে, আমাদের অধিবেশন শেষ হলো না বলে জাস্ট সুইচ অফ, ইঞ্জিনিয়ারদের বললাম সুইচ অফ করে দিয়ে আমরা আস্তে আস্তে বেরিয়ে গেলাম সুসুর করে।
রাত 10টার সময় হঠাৎ একটা ফোন এলো, আমি ধরি নাই। ওই যিনি ছিলেন আমেরিকা, যার বাড়িতে এটি বললেন যে আপনাকে ফর্মালিটি জানছেন স্যার, যে ফর্মালিটি জানলো কি করে, তাদের অনেক সোর্স আছে, কোনো জেনে গেছে। আমি ফোন ধরলাম, স্যার, তো দেখি হঠাৎ বন্ধ কেন ভগবান সুরে। আমি সেটাতে আপনারাই দায়ী, আমরা দায়ী, আমরা দায়ী হবে কেন, রেডিওকে ট্যাগ করে খুলতে হবে। আমি ইম্পসিবল স্যার, রেডিও এখন খোলা যাবে না, আমার কর্মচারীরা সবাই আন্ডারগ্রাউন্ডে, কে কোথায় আমি জানি না।
So this is the video of Liberation War. This is the video of radio station service who was working over there. Their opinion, not only their opinion, their experience that time, what they have earned, that is asked, and it is the documentary on that. Okay, so in the Liberation War time, you have learned also from your lesson that yeah, radio has a great impact, and also media. You see, it is their opinion, their words are captured that time. Different images captured that time, and these images spread through the world from Bangladesh to other country. Lots of countries supported us. From your BGS book you have learned. So that time these pictures gone over there through the media. It has played huge role, okay, to send signals, and also like news broadcast in different countries and support from other countries. All these are done by ICT in the Liberation War time. Clear? So what is the full meaning of ICT? Explain the importance of ICT in Great Liberation War of Bangladesh. So whatever I discussed, what is in the book and what you have learned from the video, all you can write over there. Clear? Chapter 1, lesson 3, page number 6. If you search, you will get over there. So from this portion, this part, you can write what was the role of ICT in case of Liberation War. Clear? Next one, say explain what services are citizens getting for the opportunity of developing ICT. So you see here, government services on the doorstep, the most important innovation. That means your answer will start from here. E-settlement record, e-book, e-permit. With all these key points, you have to write the answer. That means you have to write up to the end, online registration, up to this, and obviously write with a conclusion para. Clear? Now see the next one. Describe the difference between optical fiber satellite on the basis of their characteristics. That means what is the function, what is their structure, everything will be included here. So you can write with key points. That means the difference will be with three column. That means in one column you will write the characteristics as it is mentioned on the basis of the characteristics, and another column optical fiber, another column satellite. You will make this one. I will give this one as a homework. Okay, go for the next one. What is cybercrime? Explain about cybercrime. About 4 cybercrime. So here it is cybercrime. So what you will write? You need to write the stories here. Okay. From here you will write the definition in introduction para, and then there is spam, fraud, And also one point that is hidden, like that means that is not bolded: disclosing objectionable information, threatening, cyber battle. So you will write only 4. That means spam, fraud, threatening, and cyber battle. If you could write, you will get 4, 5 out of 5 easily, no doubt. Then next one is we'll go for the next question. That means, what do you mean by the right to information? Explain the importance of Right to Information Act to eradicate corruption. These question answer how to write, and I have discussed in previous in 24 number online classes. If you have any confusion, check over there. What is password? Explain the techniques to protect the secrecy of password. You will write this one from chapter 3, lesson 18, page number 41. See here, page number 41, you will see the tips, techniques are given below to protect the secrecy of password. So there is how many points here? 7 maybe. Yeah, there is 7 points. So you have to write all the 7 points. And with these, what is password? You have learned from lesson 15. Is it? From here is a password is used to ensure one's online security while using the network. So from here you will write what is password. Next question, what is spreadsheet? Explain the objectives of using spreadsheet software. You will write from where you will write page number 22. Lesson 22, page number 51. So it is easy. Page number 51, 52. There is a last column in last column, last para. Okay, check the book. See here, spreadsheet program. So you will write a bit about the concept of spreadsheet program, but mainly you have to write this part. Mainly you have to write this part. What is spreadsheet program? This part up to the, you have to draw the box up to the cell you have to write. And then as it is objective, here you will make 5 to 6 points, and you can also add if you know more points. If you can write more points, you can add also. Here. And last one, what is bandwidth? Describe the importance of using bandwidth at the present digital age. Actually, bandwidth is not explained in your lesson properly. In lesson 55, one place it is only mentioned bandwidth. Bandwidth is the internet, whatever you have the connection, internet connection. With that broadband connection, with that you are getting a bandwidth. Okay, specific bandwidth. If your bandwidth speed is high, in that case no buffering will happen while you are downloading or watching any movie, any video online, or you are playing game online. In that case no buffering will happen. But if your bandwidth is less, in that case or speed is less, in that case downloading is also problematic, and you can see any videos with your patience. Okay, so describe the importance of using bandwidth at the present age, digital age. You have to make it yourself, because nothing is discussed in the book. Okay, so one thing you got from this board question, that one question may vary. One question may comes like if what you know or what you understand on that basis. So you have to think that you have 7 questions in your hand, and among 7 you have to answer 5. One question will not be up to your level or not. It is not organized. That means you should not touch that question. Okay, so this 8 number question is like that. Okay, we'll go to the next one. That means the board question of 2017. Explain the contribution of information and communication technology to the healthcare. It is in page number 13 to 14, lesson 6. We have learned this question enough and enough. So I hope you can write properly. What do you think that the role of ICT is playing in order to create and getting job for job seeker? Okay, fine. It is from chapter 1, lesson 2, and page number 5-6. So as it is about job seekers, so we have to write from expansion of mobile phone. Okay, because job seekers can search their job in different type of mobile phone companies. Okay, why? Because there is lucrative jobs, and there is jobs according their quality and qualification. And also job seeker, who can help job seekers? Who can help? job site, right? So job site can help them. How job site can help them, that is also mentioned. You also write that one. And again, earning opportunity, who are seeking job, they can and work sitting at home with their own whatever the qualifications or qualities they have. With their own quality, they can do the job sitting at home. So you will write expansion of mobile phone, job site, and outsourcing in these cases. Clear? Next one, what is topology? Describe star topology. I have described in the last class. I will not describe anymore. Okay. Cybercrime is a punishable offense. The same question, like this is a question that is not discussed or explained properly. For 5 mark, it is not explained in the book. There is 1 or 2 line like this in chapter 8 and 9. You will see online identity lesson. Okay, over there is hacking, hacker, and all this information. So hackers are doing different kind of hacking, which one is not uh, supported by our laws. So it is a crime. Why it is? That's why you have to explain with all this. That means you have to explain about the hackers, different type of hackers. Also, you have to explain that these are under the Cyber Act, and it is punishable offense. If anyone steal anyone's information, anything, then it will be punishable. Okay, so one thing, this question you should not touch. Why? Because if you are writing this question answer, in that case it is more chance to get less mark, because other question you see all are to the point from the book directly, but this question you have to write as your own. In that case, you have to be choosy, you have to be tricky while you are selecting the question. There will be different type of question. Okay, there is no doubt, but you have to be selective while you are selecting any question. Now go to the next one. What is network? Describe the network related to devices. Chapter 2, chapter 8. Yeah, it is from 8, 12, 13. That means from 8 you will write what is network or computer network, and from 12 and 13 that means a hub switch router, or you can also write modem or LAN card. You can write. Clear? Write down 2 works by using spreadsheet program. In the objectives there is 2 work. Before writing these 2 work, you must write what is spreadsheet first. Okay, then 2 work. From the objective you will write, and at the end you will write conclusion para with the whatever, with the advantages or uses, whatever the para is just below that one. The role of internet solving our everyday problem, we have learned this one again and again and again many times. And then discuss the process of sending email through an attachment. We have given a note in the class. Okay, how to write, and fully the format is fully written over there. 9 points you have to write, 9 points. That means 4 points from sending email, and rest 5 points we have marked the book. And accordingly worksheet was given just when the corona situation started. That time the last school day of the corona situation, you got a worksheet over there. It is the answer is written, so you must learn that answer properly here. So we have finished. Okay, and this is these questions, that mean 2018 and 2017 question you will take in your concern. Why? Because these are the similar type of lessons. These are the lessons which are most important for you. Okay, so these lessons you will give more emphasis with. Then with that you must learn the full lesson. Okay, so your homework is chapter 2. Your homework is from chapter 2. That means one board question from, I said that time in 2018, difference between optical fiber and satellite on the basis of their characteristics. This is your homework number, and this homework you will write according the online class number. That means it will be today's 30 number class, so it will be online classwork number 30's homework. Okay, I hope all you have enjoyed the class and you have learned something from the lesson. So practice accordingly, and I wish you all the best, because you have to get 50 out of 50 in ICT. And it is only possible if you are listening to the teachers, practicing as well. Thank you all. I wish you all the best.